Magandang gabi po, brothers and sisters. Lapitan ko ako ni Brother Kerr kanina, sabi niya, Brother Danny, pagka nakakalimutan mo ang team natin ay unity. At saka sabi niya, dapat maiksi. Kaya pumilisan ko po at maiksi yan. Kami po ni Cynthia ay nag-graduate noong 1995 sa Couples for Christ Residential. At that time, naalala po namin kung gaano kami kasaya. We were so happy, we were so enjoy kami sa pag-participate, sa pag-attend ng mga CLP. At that time, ang mga CLP ay napakalaki. Ang lalaki ng mga participants, ang dami, lalo na yung mga CLP ni Brother Laya. Nandiyan si Brother Laya, idol ko yan. Alam niyo po si Brother Laya, ang participant niya nung siya, team head namin ay 100. Ang graduate ay 60. Napakarami po. So, the reason for that is kami po ay talagang very united. Isang buong grupo, napakalakas at isang direksyon. Naalala ko rin po kung gaano kami kasaya ni Cynthia bilang members, bilang household head, bilang unit head, at saka bilang coordinator ng Kids for Christ, at saka Youth for Christ. Ang saya-saya at that time. And nung bagong salta po kami sa Couples for Christ, we were so amazed doon sa mga leaders natin. Meron pong abogado, meron pong doktor, may ingenyero, may negosyante. And there were also those leaders who rose from the ranks. Galing po sa kahirapan, from poverty, at naging napakagaling na leader. Yun po yung mga leaders natin hanggang ngayon, magagaling sila. They managed us very well. Inanihan po tayo, and they led us to what was then the massive and global Couples for Christ. Kami po ni Cynthia and all of us, apparently, are witness to the evolution of Couples for Christ into something very massive, very global, pagdating po sa spirituality at saka sa caring for the needs of others. Kaya po dumating yung ating gawat kanina. At the time, our group, our ministry was so loaded before nagbibigyan na tayo ng bahay sa ating mga kapatid na kapuspalan. And that was a resounding success. Napaka-successful po because we prayed for that. We united for that. We were united to achieve that. Kaya binigay ng Diyos sa atin. We were then one family. Kaya ito po ay one of the most successful endeavor ng Couples for Christ. Ito pong kalaban natin ay hindi na nagtulog. And of course, yung saya natin before, yung unity natin before, ay siyempre, lalabanan niya. And so, there was the split. Meron tayong split. Everybody of us was then in extreme agony. Sa mga loob natin, we were so empty. But despite of this agony, we immediately recovered. By the grace of God. Mabait po ang Panginoon. And here we are again. We are united as one family. Bilang Couples for Christ, FFL. Amen?
Amen.
So, Despite of that, happiness na nararamdaman na naman natin ngayon. Ang feeling ko, napagsayin natin because we were back again on our toes. Masaya na naman tayo. But still, pag ako po'y nagdadasal at pumupunta sa aking prayer room, pag-jogging ko sa umaga, early in the morning, mga alas 5, 5:30 na lang, I feel some sort of, ang tawag mo, emptiness. Sorrow, nalulungkot din ako. Because, alam ko rin yung Brother Chito, to be frank, up to now, I still harbor that yung lungkot, kung naalala ko si Brother Cesar Cruz, Sister Sylvia, with all their jolliness and some prayer meetings natin. Naalala ko si Brother Ati, na kung magsalita ay mas holy pa kaysa panik. Kung gumalaw ay mas holy pa kaysa sa mga Monsignor. And I also remember, naalala ko si Brother Tony de la Cruz, na with all his masculinity, macho, umiyak sa harap ng napakaraming tao, telling us how touched he was doon sa GK service niya. And all of this makes me sad as of this moment. Alam po ninyo, ganun din siguro ang nararamdaman nila sa atin. Hindi natin alam, but I think and I'm sure that they might be missing also the power talks of Brother Frank, the power talks of Brother Chito, the power talks of Brother Tito, and all our leaders. Ganun din po I'm missing the MERs kung power talks ni Rafi Blasco ay nandun. So, hindi natin alam. Baka we are missing them and they are missing us as well. Baka hindi natin alam, the feeling is mutual. Hindi natin alam. But I'm praying to God that as we now have this team, unity, sana po, I'm sorry, Brother Chilo, but this is quite radical, but I have to say this. Sabi nga po nila, doon munang araw, mayroong East at saka West Germany. And they are united because they are one Germany. Mayroong, ano ba yun, Brother Layan, South at saka North Vietnam. They killed each other. There were agonies. There were a lot of problems for so many years. And still, they became united. Because why? Dahil po sila one Vietnam people. Meron din po, and I'm sure this is going to happen again. Yun pong South Korea at saka North Korea. Right now, wala akong pupuntahan yan kundi mag-unite. They will unite in the future, I'm sure of that. And by all grace of God, tayo po. Diba dati, iisa tayo po sa Christ. Salamat po.